Today's all about canoes. We're going to get everybody set on board. We're going to give out gear, get everybody all suited up. We're going to head out into the water. We're going to do some paddling. We're going to work on strokes. We're going to work on turns. We're going to do a little racing technique, get a little speed up, and then we're going to finish off with doing some rescues, flipping over some boats, getting the boats emptied, getting people back on board. And that's going to be our program for today.